In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Trello with Google Calendar. This integration is a fantastic way to keep track of your tasks and deadlines using two powerful tools right on your calendar view. So, let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your Trello board where you'll find all your tasks and projects neatly organized. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Power Ups button. Power Ups are essentially Trello add-ons that allow you to enhance your board with additional features. After clicking Power Ups, find the button labeled Add Power Ups and click on it. This will take you to the directory where all available power-ups are listed. In the search bar provided, type in Google Calendar. This will narrow down the results, allowing you to find the Google Calendar Sync option quickly. Once you've located the Google Calendar Sync, click on it to get more details about this power-up. From here, go ahead and click on the Add button to enable this feature on your Trello board. Sometimes you might need to click Add again to confirm your selection, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. With that done, head over to the settings for this newly added power-up. You should see a button that reads Authorize Account. Click on it to start the process of linking your Google account with Trello. At this point, you'll need to click the Authorize button once more to give the necessary permissions for Trello to access your Google Calendar. Depending on your requirements, you might have to make a choice between a couple of options presented, such as sync frequency or specific calendars to sync with. Simply pick the one that best suits your organization's workflow. Finally, hit that Start button to kick off the integration process. And just like that, your Trello tasks will begin to show up in your Google Calendar. This setup will ensure that your projects are timed perfectly, keeping you on track with less effort. Remember, integrating Trello with Google Calendar can greatly improve your productivity by allowing you to visualize your tasks alongside other important events and deadlines. It's a simple but powerful way to ensure you never miss a deadline. If you have any tweaks you'd like to make, just revisit the settings and adjust them to your liking. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of your Trello and Google Calendar integration. Happy organizing!